it's your girl Kiarrarenee, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I cut layers into my hair. This is a full quick weave. Like, I just installed it, fully done it. When I say this hair is literally, I believe, a 16 inch and a 14 inch. So the blonde is the 14 and the brown is the 16. So this is about how long it is. I just want to cut layers into it, you know, frame my face, give it some body, add some curls. So stay tuned if you want to see how I do that to my hair.
All right, you guys. So I'm going to start off with the bundles we're going to be using today. And this is Sensational Hair. I blow dried this bundle out so that way the curls were just a little bit looser and match the texture we're going to be using today. And this is their Too Pretty in a 4, and this is their tangle free synthetic blend hair, and it's a beautiful texture, especially blown out. And then the blonde color that we're going to be using today is by Milky Way, and this is their Romance Curl in 14 inches in the color 27. And this is a really pretty loose curl, and this blonde color is amazing. I know you guys have seen me do plenty of quick weaves before, so I kind of just got into the process gluing down my cap, and I started doing 2 layers at a time. So I started off with 2 layers of black, 2 layers of blonde, and kept going around my head. Now with the side part, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're curving your tracks. So I made sure that I curved my tracks, especially in the bang area, because I wanted a very voluminous and thick bang. So just making sure it goes with the flow of my bang. Alright, so if you would like a more detailed tutorial on how I do this quick weave, please look on my channel. I do have quite a few quick weave videos, and the common steps that you'll find in my videos are measure, cut, glue, then blow dry. So those are the steps that I usually follow when doing my quick weaves, and if you want a more detailed tutorial, please check on my channel. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe for more. Okay, so this is the quick weave when it's basically fully installed. Look how nice, long, and thick it is. And I love the way these colors blended together. So that was definitely the goal. And now I'm about to deal with my leave out. So I'm going to make sure that I take it out of its braided state, and I'm just going to detangle it, and I'm going to spray this Chi Iron Guard on my leave out and blow dry this into my hair. Now a key part to this look is the part, and I did my part a little differently than I usually do. This is in a slightly hooked formation, but I'm really going straight back, but it's kind of at a hook. So make sure that you pay attention to how this is laid out. If you want, let me know in the comments down below if you want a full video on how I achieved this side part with such minimal leave out, because this part had everything to do with it. So I'm making sure that I'm straightening my leave out, getting it as straight as I can. I do have completely natural hair, so the kinks are there, and I'm just making sure that I'm doing the chase method and taking small parts as I work through my hair. For my edges, I'm going in with my Kiss Edge Fixer in Watermelon, and this is their 24-hour max hold. I love this edge control. When I say I've literally been using it all year, it's my go-to edge control and it hasn't let me down. This is literally that. Look at those edges. Like, y'all saw how they were looking just a second ago. So I'm making sure that I'm tightening up my part and really working this edge control into my edges until I get the swoop I want.
But anyway, back to this hair. Like, I've done a multicolor quick weave on my channel before. This is a quick weave, but I figured out my side part. Like, I've always had problems with my leave out, especially on my side, because when I say I love side parts and I grew up loving side parts and I just feel like they look so good on me, that I swear I burnt the hell out of my leave out growing up, and my leave out's grown back. So yes, I'm so excited. I usually do more, but this is gonna depend on the cut, because I like my bang in my face. Like, bangs, I want bangs. Yes, I'm gonna have to thin that out. Like, I just want it in my face. I want it to lay in my face. So yeah. Hey you guys, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you love these beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content videos. I really enjoy doing them. If you like this hair, if you want to see me do this hairstyle, let me know, because I will give an updated routine, breakdown, and all. So let me know down in the comments below. And join the Kiarrarenee family. You better subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and join the fam. So let's get back to the video. So I always think an important part of this is making sure you know where your leave out is, because I'm not trying to cut my hair. So this brown is my leave out, so about right here. And I want my bang to hang right here, so I'm gonna start cutting right there. So that's a perfect length on this side. I'm gonna just move that hair back because that's a little longer. And then I kind of want my first curl to be like right here. So I'm gonna start cutting about right here. And I like to keep my back very full. As you can see, this is a lot of hair. It does look very full. You can shake it like it looks really good. Nice and full in the back. I like to keep my back full. So I'm just gonna be cutting layers around my face. And I wanna section my hair about my ears. And then I'm gonna pin these back. So just make sure that you find your ears. So make sure that you part your hair behind your ears. So as you can see, my ears, and I'm gonna pin this side back. So I'm gonna start with this side.
Okay, so I like to go section by section, starting from the bottom and ending at the top layer. And I'm just going to cut at the start of my chin, like I told you guys before. And I'm also going through and just curling this hair so it's uniform. And when you're cutting layers into your hair, it's good to curl it so that way you can see how the layers helped or if they didn't help. And I'm just cutting slowly, but I'm making sure that I'm cutting the desired amount off. And as you can see, it's starting to look good. It's starting to frame my face and have a shape, which is the most important thing. And I'm just making sure I don't cut my leave out. Do not cut your leave out. When I say do not cut your leave out, I mean don't cut your leave out. It's important. That's your real hair. So making sure that my leave out blends, I'm going to take my leave out and curl it with that last piece so that way it's seamless. Okay, and now for the final steps of the cutting process, I kind of like to see where I stopped my layering in the front and just ease the scissors down in a diagonal fashion. And I don't cut any off of the direct bottom. I just kind of diagonal my hair out just so it looks just a tad bit more seamless. And that's it to my layering. If I find any loose pieces, I'll go back in and cut them and make them shorter. But usually I don't really have too many strayaways. And also always use your curlers as a guide. If you feel like you might need to cut something, curl it first and then decide, because you can take hair away, but you can't put it back on. So remember that.